Hey everyone, ready to make your crypto swaps super easy on Binance? Let's dive right in. First, log into your Binance account. Make sure you're on the home page. Now, click on the Trade tab at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Convert. All right, here we are on the conversion page. You'll see two fields, From and To. In the From field, pick the cryptocurrency you want to convert. Let's say it's Bitcoin. Now, in the To field, select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. For this example, let's go with Ethereum. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to convert. You can either type it in manually or use the percentage buttons to choose a specific portion of your holdings. Once you've got that set up, click on Preview Conversion. This will show you the estimated exchange rate and any fees. Take a moment to review these details. If everything looks good, move on to the next step. Finally, click Convert. And just like that, your Bitcoin is now Ethereum. It's that easy. Remember, always double-check the details before confirming a transaction. You want to make sure everything is correct to avoid any mistakes. And there you have it. Swapping crypto on Binance is a breeze. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto tips.